Well, welcome to 3.9. The most exciting aspect of algebra that you would just love is translating words into equations. You all do so well with this, and you must get this down within your lifetime. So, being able to translate it, oh, it's going to be difficult. Let's look at some examples. That's the only way you're going to be able to get these. So let's look at example number one. Example number one says the difference of a number, abbreviate here, and 10 is 37. Well, first of all, you need to see some. Well, we know difference means subtraction. We know is equals, it means equal sign, so we got that. So the difference of a number, that number can be anything or any letter, so let's just make it n, and it's the difference of, so it's n 10 is 37. So it's n minus 10, 37. Let's look at example number 2. It says if 23 is added to 4 times a number, the results is 143. All right, well, what do we know so far? Well, we know added is plus. That's a no-brainer. 4 times a number is 4n. And the results, well, results means equals 143. So we got half of it. And no, but the key is here, it says 23 is added to. That means 4n is going to come first, okay, because it's added to it. So it's 4n plus 23 equals 143. All right, example number 3 says 6 subtracted from 3 times a number equals 36 decreased by 4 times the number. Okay, notice that the x represent times, and that number is the same, so 6 subtracted from 3x. Well, that means 3x has to go first because it's subtracted from it. A number equals 36 decreased by, means it's being subtracted, 4 times that number. Always looks easier when somebody else does it, right? Yeah. Let's look at example number 4. The sum of 2 consecutive integers is 49. And you need to find out what those 2 consecutive integers is. So first of all, well, what's an integer? You have to. That's why we learned what those whole numbers, integers. Integers is a positive or a negative number. So it can be a -3, a 0, or a +3. Well, how do we get consecutive numbers? Well, one we're going to declare as x, and an integer increases by 1, so my next integer will be x plus 1. And it says the sum of these 2 numbers equals 49. So we'll go, forgot to change to red, x plus 1 is 49. And since it wants me to know what those integers are, then we're going to have to do the math. X plus x is 2x. Remember when we're adding, it becomes 2x. Plus 1 equals 49. So I subtract 1 from both sides, and I get 2x equals 48. Divide by 2, x equals 24. Well, if x equals 24, the next one, x plus 1, is 25. So my 2 integers are 24 and 25. All right, well, as word problems go, it takes practice to get these, so work on those and make sure you do them sequentially, and pay attention to those key words in there that determines whether it's being subtracted from, added to, or even the 4 times. Look for those keywords and get those correct. Good luck on those problems.